Whenever I discuss the topic of my online business with anyone from my community or friends or family, ultimately a question that I'm always asked is about how people actually make money online. And I realize this is a topic of online entrepreneurship that I cover every so often on my channel. But today I wanted to give you guys some real concrete details on the 7 ways that I actually make money online. So if you're interested in knowing how I make money through my online business, perhaps because this is a goal that you would like to set for yourself in the new year, or if you're just curious to see the different ways and options that people can make money online, then this video is for you. Hello, my charmed ones, and welcome back to my channel for another video. And if this is your first time with me, I would just like to say welcome. My name is Alexis, but I'm also known as MissTrenchcoat all across the internet. I'm an online entrepreneur who designs and sells digital productivity tools to help you work smarter, not harder. So if that sounds interesting to you, I'll leave some links down below in the description box where you can check out more of my work online. And feel free to download some of my latest free productivity tools over at thecharmedshop.com. So as I mentioned in the intro, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 7 ways that I actually make money online. Now, of course, there's more than 7 ways for people to make money online. And these are the methods that I use within my own business to make my business income. Now, I also want to share with you guys within this video 4 secrets for successfully managing multiple income streams, because I realize that this is also a very important topic to talk about when we're talking about online business, is actually successfully managing all the different streams of income that you have. You may think, wow, like 7 streams of income is kind of like having 7 different jobs, right? So it does come with its own set of challenges that I think not a lot of people talk about, really the challenges that come from managing multiple income streams and really the secrets to finding success with multiple income streams, because it is very easy to get overwhelmed and or to put in way too much effort in one area and neglect all of the rest. So that is what I want to talk about with you guys today. Now, if this topic of building an online business or creating online income streams is something that you want more information in, because perhaps you are someone who would like to start your own online business, then I have a free resource for you. If you click down below in the description box, I've actually put together a free online business resource guide with some of my best content and recommendations to help you get started on a strong foot if this is something you're interested in. So feel free to click the link down below. You'll be transferred over to my shop and you can download the resource guide there for free. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the 7 ways that I actually make money online and those 4 secrets for finding success with managing multiple income streams. The first way that I make money online is through my digital products that I sell over at thecharmedshop.com. So as some of you may know, I sell a lot of different digital downloads, such as printable planners and workbooks and different decor items that you can print out, digital products that you can use for your productivity or your business. So this accounts for the biggest portion of my income. And it is, for the most part, a source of passive income. So something you're going to hear me talk about throughout this video is passive and active income. And that's basically the type of income that you're making in terms of the action that you have to take. When it comes to my digital products, obviously, once I've made them once, they're there forever and I can sell them over and over and over again. So that is a passive income stream where through my shop, thecharmedshop.com, you're able to check out and get these items on demand without me ever needing to get involved. So this is a passive income stream. The second way that I make money online is through my classes and private consulting. So a good example of this would be Empire Building, which is my online business program, where I have many modules and worksheets that I've created and resources that have been put together to build this online business program. But then it also has an element of consulting with me, because there is a private Facebook group where you can ask me questions and get feedback from me as well as others in the community. So this is actually kind of an example of an active income stream, specifically any of my programs where I do have consulting options or one-on-one calls as part of the option, because it means that I actively have to get involved in order to produce the product. The third way that I make money online is through YouTube. Yes, YouTube. As you are watching me here through YouTube, this is something that I consider both a passive and active income stream. I say that because once I've made a video, it's up on YouTube, until I take it down forever. And it is continuously generating income for me in terms of number one, marketing for my business, if it happens to be a business related video or a productivity related video, something that actually is showcasing my products or my services, then that is kind of one way that YouTube makes money for me. And the second way is through ad revenue. So I do make a fair amount of money from YouTube through ad revenue, which is wonderful. So in one way, YouTube is a passive income stream for me because once a video is up, it is there and it's generating income. However, I also consider it an active income stream in some ways because in order to keep my following growing and my numbers moving in a positive direction, I do need to commit to making regular videos. So this is something where I can make one video and it's earning me money over and over and over again. But as a whole, being a YouTuber is a situation where you need to be making videos consistently. So it is active as well. The next way that I make money online is through Amazon affiliates. So if you were not aware, the website Amazon.com has an affiliate program, which basically means that I can provide links to anything on Amazon's website that they sell. And it's a tracking link that indicates to Amazon that I was the source of the recommendation for you to come to their website and visit a particular product. So similar to the way that in large department stores, if you're helped by a sales associate, they may earn a commission on what you purchase. Amazon is very similar to that, and any affiliate network is very similar to that, which means that the price of the goods do not increase for the consumer. However, a small commission is given to the person who is linked back to making that sale. So that is another passive income stream for me because really all I have to do is use those links and there's not much work on my end and they're always there generating income for me. Now, the fifth way that I make money online is through another popular affiliate network known as RewardStyle. Again, because it's an affiliate network, it is a passive income stream for me. And this is just another large affiliate network that actually gets me access to creating tracking links for a variety of different websites online, a lot of different stores, department stores, and even little boutique stores online. So RewardStyle is a very big affiliate network within the lifestyle community, and I'm part of that as well. The next way that I make income online is from another affiliate network, Bluchic, which is actually the company that I use that designs my WordPress theme. So I am a very big proponent of this company because I absolutely love their products. I think that if you're someone who is trying to create a custom website and you're interested in using WordPress, that Bluchic is an excellent way to get a beautifully well-designed theme without having someone totally customize a website from the ground up for you, which can cost you thousands of dollars. The Bluchic themes are beautiful, very functional, they're always being updated, and they are very, very affordable. So if you're interested in using one of their themes, it's the themes that I use for all of my websites. I'll leave a link down below where you guys can check them out as well. And the seventh and final way that I earn income online for my business is through another affiliate-like business known as Skimlinks, which is another passive income stream. So essentially, Skimlinks almost does what I do when it comes to Amazon or RewardStyle or Bluchic when I'm using those affiliate links. However, Skimlinks basically reads through my website and inserts links for me. So it is a way that I can almost seamlessly earn extra revenue as well in places that I may not have expected. So that is the seventh and final way that I earn income online. Okay, and now those 4 secrets for finding success with multiple income streams online. Secret number 1. Although most of my income comes from passive streams, I still need to actively promote those streams via my content. The better I do at my promotion, the more people I reach and the more income I generate. So in order to manage my streams effectively, I keep an editorial and marketing calendar where I have my promotion and content ideas mapped out so I am consistently promoting throughout the year. Secret number 2, if you're someone who is looking to make money online, it's a good idea to have as many streams, especially passive ones, as possible, because not all your streams will perform the same month over month. For example, although I sell a good amount of planner inserts on a monthly basis, there are just certain times of year, like the end of summer through fall, when those sales skyrocket because people are looking for new planners. When you first start out, you may not know how a stream will perform and what will be the best and worst times, but eventually you will see the patterns and can use this information to balance out your promotion so you are promoting what sells best during its high traffic period. Also, having many streams of income actually becomes a safeguard for your income, especially if you're someone who, like me, runs their online business full time. I can always expect a certain minimum income each month from all of my streams together, but of course, I also make more during certain times, so having more income streams gives me a buffer to keep my income consistent. Secret number 3, online conversion rates are very low. 3% is a good average. This means that if you make a YouTube video promoting a product, you can expect that about 3% of the audience may buy. So if your video gets 100 views, you can expect 3 sales if your video did a good job promoting your product. If you get more, congrats, that's amazing. But if you get less, you may need to reevaluate your content to see why it wasn't converting viewers into sales. Secret number 4 is that income streams don't magically perform well overnight. Yes, certain content topics, when executed well, will have high conversion rates, but for most content and online platforms, it takes time to build your audience and build up that consistently high income. I remember when I first became a YouTube partner, it took me months to hit the revenue threshold for a payment, but eventually those checks came quicker and quicker until they became a monthly occurrence. Don't give up too soon because you don't see the results you want. Rome wasn't built in a day, and there are no overnight success stories. Yes, content can go viral, but have you ever noticed that the content that blows up isn't promoting anything and the creator doesn't really have a business concept in place? It's dumb luck, and most people aren't prepared to leverage that sort of massive attention when it hits. So don't be afraid to grow slow. As long as you're making positive momentum, you're headed in the right direction. Okay, so those are all of the ways that I currently make money online to generate income for my online business. I hope that that gave you a little bit of insight and some options that you may want to explore if you are interested in starting your own online business. And I hope that those tips that I gave you, those secrets for managing multiple income streams successfully, were also something that you can actually apply in your own situation moving forward for your own success. Now, I would love to hear from you about which one of the income streams that perhaps I shared. And I realize that some of them were a little bit similar, but if there is one that you would like me to explore a little bit more moving forward in a future video or in future content, I would love to know which one is maybe something you are most interested in or something that is really baffling you the most and you're not really sure how to use it or incorporate it into your own business situation. So leave me a comment down below and let me know about that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it on social media. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MissTrenchcoat if you want to see a little bit more of the behind the scenes of my life and business. And of course, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos by me. And until next time, bye-bye.